Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we got another snack crate. So we are going to be opening this. And if you guys like this shirt, you can get your Veal Trail shirts online. I will have the link in the description bar for you. So like a kid on Christmas. We got snacks from Italy. Yes. I'm excited about this. Some more stickers. Fix my hair. This one came with a shitload of snacks. Look at all this. Oh, I'm so freaking excited about this right now. Tuck Crisp. Let's try them. Look at me trying to be cute. And all of this is in French. You know what they taste like? Like Pringles. Like Pringles, but more bland. Or maybe even like the Lay's baked chips. I gotta get my water. 1 out of 10, I give those like, should we move the hair back? Maybe we should. Pigusto. Okay, sorry guys, I don't like this. Let's try them. Smells like vinegar. These are good. They're more like tomato based. You know? Pretty good. They kind of like tastes like if you dip your chip in ketchup. What else do we have here? Fonzie's. And again, everything's in French, so I have no idea if this is gonna be like sweet or savory. I don't know about these. I don't know. These look like little white cheddar Cheetos. I don't know. I don't like white cheddar things. Not that much. No. Definitely like a white cheddar crispy Cheeto. I don't know. I'm kind of scared to try some of this stuff in here. Like this looks like it might be good. Filled with a lot of sugar. I don't know. But like these. I like little bread. These are pretty good. Just tastes like a crispy. A crispy little bread. I don't know. See, I don't know about this. a chocolate croissant. I don't know, guys. I'm more of like candy kind of person, and this is like too much. Like, come on, really? Like, I don't want to be biting into a whole big ass bread for a snack crate. Okay, so it literally is like bread and chocolate. Literally tastes like bread and chocolate. What else do we have here? These, I got crumbs on my arm. Cocoa and milk. I'm excited about these. These look like they could be good little wafers. Crispy cocoa wafers with delicate milk cream filling. These are good. These are really good. Sorry guys, my nose itches. Okay. Let's continue. So far, these are my favorite. Yeah, so far these are my favorite. Like, I don't know. Everything in here is like really like chocolate. Duplo coconuts. Chocolate. Duplo chocolate. So look, it's like a little ball on the inside. Okay. It's like a hazelnut in the center. Look, me choking. That's good. I'm not a fan of the chocolate though. That chocolate tastes like, I don't know. Meek balcony. No. No, I don't like that either. That one tastes like a little Debbie cake, but it has a bad aftertaste, like an alcohol aftertaste. I don't know. Sir Leeks looks like a chocolate Rice Krispie. Moving on. Oringo Coco. 6 biscotti cookies. I'm saving the drink for last because I'm probably going to need something to wash all this sugar down with. So it looks like two cookies. Tastes like animal crackers. And then some of the other few things they gave us was like these little like candies. So let's go ahead and try. I mean, I'm sure this is probably like nothing, but yeah. This tastes like a gummy or sugar. That was super sweet. And what else do we have? What is this, like a Twizzler? Interesting. Okay. This is hard. But it tastes like a gummy. So now let's try this drink. Sicily Blood Orange Soda. How do we get this open? This was literally the first glass that I could get my hands on. So let's be bougie and let's try it in the wine glass. It tastes sugar-free. It does have good blood orange flavor, but it tastes really sugar-free. Let's see how much sugar is in here. 25 grams of sugar. Sparkling soft drink water, blood orange juice from concentrate sugar, black carrot juice, carbon dioxide, citrus acid, and natural flavoring. So let's see what some of the fun facts say. There is a fountain filled with red wine in central Italy that runs 24 hours a day. It's free to drink for all of those who are thirsty. Italy is the inventor of modern fork. Italians have been using forks to eat pasta since the 4th century. The first pizza was documented in Italy in the year of 997 AD, but tomatoes weren't added until the late 1600s. The capital of Italy is Rome. Population is 60 million. So look. I didn't realize, but look, they actually give you like a little menu of everything that you got with your kit. So, savory wise, the favorite salty thing though, for real, was probably these ketchup tasting chips. And then the wafer. And that was good. So yeah. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. And as always, or until next time, maybe if it was over ice.